Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are planning your next trip to Mauritius, then this video is a must watch for you because I am going to take you along to the top 5 places at Mauritius which you cannot miss. I'll give you a complete tour of those places so that you can plan your Mauritius trip and ensure that you visit all these 5 places. So let's go. The first place I'm going to take you to is Ilok Surf. Ilok Surf is a privately owned island and you get a full day tour at this island. The turquoise blue water and the soft white sand beneath your feet is sure to mesmerize you. We have started our journey to Ilok Surf Island and right now we have been brought to this platform in the middle of the sea for some water sports. So here you can enjoy parasailing. In case you do not want to go for parasailing, you can simply sit at the platform and enjoy the mesmerizing view around you. After parasailing and speedboat tube ride, now we are heading towards our next activity, that is underwater sea walk. So this is my first experience and I am going to share with you how it feels to be under Indian Ocean. Okay, so here I am under Indian Ocean, walking at the bed of Indian Ocean with the fish and other sea creatures. This experience was first time for me and was one of its kind. I was scared and excited at the same time and enjoyed this experience thoroughly. So if you want to know details of this experience, do leave a comment in the comment section and I'll tell you in details how it feels to be walking at the bed of Indian Ocean. So finally, after all the water sports and activities, we have reached Ilok Surf Island and oh my god, this is so beautiful. Just look at that. This is typically Mauritius. You can just relax here with the sun, sea and the sand. As the day ends, you will be taken back to the mainland from this island. So around 3:30 p.m. or 4 o'clock in the evening, the return journey starts. For all the water sports and activities that we did on this island, you can either pre-book them from your tour operator or you can pay directly to these operators before you start the journey to this island. Finally, it's time to say goodbye to Ilok Surf Island and the return journey begins at a speedboat. Bidding farewell to this beauty until we meet again. The next destination that finds its place in one of the top 5 places that you must visit in Mauritius is Mangal Mahadev and Goddess Durga idol and Ganga Talao. Just before you reach Ganga Talao, you'll come across huge idols of Mangal Mahadev, that is Lord Shiva, and Goddess Durga. Ganga Talao is one of the most sacred Hindu places in Mauritius. It is basically a sacred lake with lot of Hindu temples around it. The temple complex looks like this and you can spend some time peacefully sitting at the banks of the Talao and experiencing oneness with the creator of the world. This place is beautiful and very peaceful and hence a must-visit place in Mauritius. After Ganga Talao, now it's time to visit another wonder of Mother Nature, the 23 Colored Earth Valley. Yes, you've heard it right, 23 Colored Earth Valley. This natural wonder is located in a nature park which you can explore either by walking, zip lining, or you can take a jeep and explore its beauty. Here you can see the colored earth. It's really very beautiful. So if you are visiting Mauritius, make sure that you visit this natural beauty. The park also has small brooks and waterfalls, so you can enjoy the natural beauty here. Activities like zip lining or activities for the kids are also available. Exploring this park will take around 1 hour to 1.5 hours because you have lots to see here. Along with the natural beauty, you have a host waiting for you who is around 100 to 150 years old. Yes, this is the host who waits for you. After exploring the park completely, I am sure you will be very hungry. So you can check out the food options at the cafeteria and grab some food and coffee for yourself. The next place in our list is the iconic street of Mauritius at Cordon Waterfront. Yes, this is the picture that tells you this is Mauritius. Cordon Waterfront is a very busy place with offices, shopping malls, food corners, restaurants, and people all around hustling and bustling. You can grab some food and juice for yourself at Cordon Waterfront and enjoy this beautiful sight of the waterfront. Or you can visit the shopping malls and get yourselves souvenir and do some shopping. The shops here offer reasonable price, so you can definitely check that out. After the busy waterfront, it's now time to turn the pages of history and visit the Citadel Fort. This 19th century military fortress features a walled courtyard and a panoramic view of the city, and is definitely one of the favorite spots for Bollywood movie shootings. You can explore the fort and the architecture and the huge cannons that are kept as war memorials. The fort is quite big, so it will take you around 45 minutes to an hour to explore the whole fort. These are the cannons and the panoramic view of the entire city. And as we reach to our fifth destination, there is something extra for you. So in case if you are visiting Mauritius and looking for an unexplored island, here is Gabriel Island for you. This island is mostly unexplored and you can enjoy natural beauty at its best. I have done 2 complete videos on Gabriel Island on how the journey is and how you can book for the Gabriel Island, which I'll link in the description box. So do check that out. Gabriel Island tour is a full day tour and it takes around 12k to 15k INR depending on the operator you choose. You get a catamaran cruise to and from the Gabriel Island along with lunch and unlimited drinks served at the catamaran, and around 1 hour to 1.5 hours to enjoy at the island. So that was the top 5 places that you must visit when you are at Mauritius. Also check out my other videos about Mauritius so that you can get the best experience of visiting that place. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Take care. Bye bye.